Welcome to our grammar session. My name is Dolores Flores. I am part of EFI at Intecap. Today, I will talk about the present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive. Let's start. Future perfect progressive is used to emphasize how long an activity will be in progress before another activity in the future. Now we will see this verb tense in a timeline. Here we can see when an activity takes place and when another activity in the future interrupts it. For example, I will have been sleeping for 2 hours by the time he gets home. Sometimes there's little or no difference between the present perfect progressive and the present perfect. Like this example. When Mr. Jones retires, he will have taught or will have been teaching for 45 years. And it has the same meaning. The interrogative form is with yes/no question, will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus complement. One example. Will he have been working for the same company by this time next year? The short answer will be affirmative, yes, he will, and negative, no, he won't. That means he will not. We also have the interrogative form for WH questions. WH question words are, for example, what, where, when, what. The structure is WH word plus will plus subject plus have been plus verb ing plus complement. One example is, what will you have been doing by October next year? One example of the answer would be, I will have been traveling. That's all for today. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media. See you soon.